So in this plan with me for October, I'm using my Cozy October sticker kit from It's Pretty Productive. It's so cute. It came with these 2 sheets, and then there's also this cute little pumpkin spice decal, which I just absolutely am obsessed with. So I cannot wait to use these because it just literally screams fall. So I feel like if these have to just go down in this case because they're like vertical washi tape. And just let that run down there. Love this, and I'm so excited to use it. And it is the cutest pumpkin spice decal, and I love how big it is. I'm gonna put that right on this corner here. I don't know, I love putting big decals on the right hand side of my spread. I think it looks so cute. Next piece of washi, where are you gonna put that? I think I'm gonna put a piece at the bottom, and then I'm just gonna put a piece. Hair looks cute. This is so much fun. I love stickers, and I love this is my favorite sticker kit so far. I'm just gonna add in the box stickers now. I actually did this spread so differently from how I usually do it. I usually fill in these first, and this time I did everything else. But that is what planning is all about, just seeing what you like, trying new things, and having fun with it. I'm just gonna spread the little leaves throughout because I think they are so cute. We have one more piece of washi right here. That looks nice. So we have some more stickers here. Of course, you can go ahead and like save these stickers and use 1 sheet per week depending on what you like. You absolutely don't have to use the entire spread. I got to have my check boxes. So I'm just gonna play around with some of the washi tape and make it look like this really cool pattern. These are blank boxes. You can fill in whatever you would like. I think that they're really nice to just highlight your space. Looks really good. I like putting my to buy and stuff on this side, as well as my plan, because I use Sundays for always like planning down what I have to get done. And then we have like our basic to-do lists up here. I'm just gonna go ahead and put the hearts like just randomly through my spread because I think it will look like fall leaves. So I'm just putting the money icon and the plan icon across here. I feel like if I really need to get back into the gym this week, so I'll put that across there. I have to mix cocktails for a brand collab, so I'll put those cute drinks, set up a few meetings that I can just put across here. And the last one is just a shopping, so I can probably get some fruits and vegetables this week. So this is my Cozy October spread. I love it. It's so cute. So now that I have my spread all decorated really nicely, as you can see, this is definitely, like I said, my favorite spread of all time. Cozy October, fall vibes. I never really thought I would like these colors, but I am living for lots of oranges and green right now. So you can kind of see that basically in this spread. So now I'm going to go ahead and fill it in. So I love just starting by, of course, filling in the dates and the month of the week that I'm in, and then I like to just go ahead and fill in my to-do list. So how I plan is that I write in everything I know I have to do, and then during the week, as more and more things come up, I just go ahead and fill it into my planner. Things always change up, but that's totally fine. But I still always like writing things down because it definitely gives me some structure to my life, and I don't just wonder about not knowing what I'm supposed to be doing that week, especially as I am running a business as well as doing YouTube and like a million other things on the side. This is very important that I always plan out and have an idea of what I'm doing every week. On the side, I love filling in the top 3 priorities as well as anything else I want to highlight that week, as well as my habits. And for my habit tracker, I just filled in read, journal, and post on my stationery brand page. So this is the end of my plan with me and how my spread looks. I really hope that you enjoyed it and enjoyed the way that I did this plan with me. I kind of did a live actual talk with me, plan with me video, so I was kind of distracted, not gonna lie, but I'm working on it. So I hope that you liked this format a little bit better, and let me know if you like seeing me fill in my planner and all that fun stuff. I really love planner videos and I would love to do it in such a way that you also like it. So thumbs up if you want to see more like this. Don't forget to subscribe because it means so much to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.